Hello, welcome back, my dear students of class 9th. Dear students, today in this video you will be able to learn about the animal tissue as we completed the complete lecture, video, notes, etc. about the plant tissue and you have attended the classes. And now come to the animal tissue. Dear students, if you consider the difference in between the animal tissue and plant tissue, that the animal tissues are so soft as compared to the plant tissue, and the animals are moving in nature. Because of the moving in nature, there are so many differences in the tissue organization in the animals as compared to the plants. So the plant tissues are different from the animal tissue because the plants are static in nature and they grow throughout their life. So students, let us start the study of the animal tissue by this specific notes as well as the diagrams. So dear students, let us have a look on the animal tissue. And the animal tissue can be further divided into four groups. Dear students, the tissues which are found in the animal body, they get divided into four groups, and these groups are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Dear students, let us start about the epithelial tissue. These epithelial tissues are the tissue which are formed for the covering of the external surfaces and internal cavities and organ of the animal body. Suppose, dear student, there is an organ that is called liver. So liver is covered with the epithelial tissue inside the body. Organ like cavity like mouth cavity. So in the mouth there is the internal lining of the epithelial tissue as a covering. And these epithelial tissue are of several types, many types, like squamous, columnar, ciliated columnar, glandular, and cuboidal. So let us see the structure that is the ciliated, and the ciliated structure, that is ciliated. The first that is the squamous. So the first that is the squamous This is the squamous tissue. This is the first type of the epithelial tissue, which is squamous. Squamous means the single layer of the flat cells, and they are found in the mouth cavity, lung, and eye, etc. So now let us see what is the squamous tissue by this diagrammatic representation. Let us see. Dear student, these are the different types of the tissues. Diagram are here, and in this diagram you will found the different types of the tissue. So here you are looking here. This is the simple squamous. This is a thin sheet-like structure. You are looking here. This is the thin sheet-like structure, and you are looking here. So this is the thin structure several parts as well as the external parts of the body. So students, this is the squamous epithelial tissue. My dear friends, second is the simple cuboidal. So these are the flattened tissue. These are the flattened tissue. They are found as the lining, outer lining of the different parts. And simple cuboidal, these are the cuboidal. These cuboidal tissue are found just followed by the squamous tissue. Cuboidal means the cells are some thick and they are of cube shape. So what you are looking here, these are the cubes. These are the cube shaped cells, and these cells form the cuboidal form. So these are the cuboidal form. They are found in different organs as my dear student, as you know that these type of the epithelial tissue are found in the found as the surface covering of the different organs and externally. So it may be found just beneath the surface and in the organ also. So because these are the somehow thick layer, this is a thick layer and this is called cuboidal. So you have seen these two things are there. These two things are this one squamous and cuboidal. So simple cuboidal, simple squamous. So these are the different cells. And now see this is the columnar. Columnar means they are of column shape. The column shaped cells like elongated cells forming column. For example, the internal lining of the alimentary canal where they form the villi. They form the villi, and these villi are responsible for the absorption of the digested food in human body or in any other animal body. Also, these columnar they form the column. They extend the digestive surface and the absorption surface in the digestive system especially. So students, come to again another type of the squamous tissue, that is the stratified squamous tissue. My dear students, these are the stratified squamous means these squamous tissue supporting the covering of the muscles, and they cover the entire muscular part and they will look like the muscle. They support the muscular band. That is why they are called the stratified. Stratified means they are specified as they are a part of the muscular parts. Just they attach to the muscles. Dear student, come to next. That is the several types of the cells. Here we are looking a layer of cuboidal epithelial skin cells. हमारी स्किन के जस्ट नीचे जो मोटा लेयर होता है, ऊपर से तो स्क्वामस है बट उसके जस्ट नीचे cuboidal लेयर होता है, ये आप इसमें देख रहे हैं cuboidal लेयर. So this is the cuboidal tissue. So my dear student, you have seen the diagram of the squamous, cuboidal, simple squamous and thick squamous, stratified squamous, simple cuboidal and stratified cuboidal, simple columnar and specialized columnar, and also also different organs, different parts of the body, they decide that what kind of the tissue they will have. So they will have the different tissues according to their function, and physiology, according to their the structure of that particular organ and physiological aspect also. So dear students, these are the different types of the epithelial tissue which are found. Now one thing more, that there are ciliated columnar tissue. Dear students, this is the columnar tissue. If this is the columnar, see here, if this is the columnar, one more, if this is the columnar tissue, this one, so the cilia present on it, these are the cilia, and these ciliated columnar tissue are found in the respiratory tract, in the nasal tract, नाक के अंदर पाए जाते हैं सीलिया, और उसके बाद रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में ये सीलिया काफ़ी छोटे हो जाते हैं, जस्ट दे आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द लिटिल बिट एक्सटेंडेड पार्ट ऑफ दिस कॉलमनर एपिथेलियल टिश्यू। तो केवल थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंशन होता है अंदर की लाइनिंग में, जब के अंदर जाता है, एंड दे परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ द eliminating the unwanted material that get enter into the respiratory tract। मतलब कि अगर सांस नली में कोई भी चीज़ अंदर आ जाती है तो उसको ये सीलिया मूवमेंट से हटाने की कोशिश करते हैं और हटा करके बाहर उसको निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं। सो दीज आर द ciliated columnar epithelial tissue। So dear students, different types of the functions: secretive functions, protective functions, providing the muscular part, forming the different types of the organ, specific organ, etc., are the functions of the epithelial tissue. So students, these are the different types of the epithelial tissues. And if you come on the other type of the tissue, that what you have seen it, that connective tissue, second part, that is this is the connective tissue. So you can explain this connective tissue as the connecting things, and connecting things are these. So the specialized to connect various body organs, various types of the connective tissue are. So dear students, the various types of the connective tissue are एरियोलर टिश्यू। अब देखिए एरियोलर टिश्यू क्या होता है कि शरीर के अंदर, एनिमल बॉडी के अंदर विभिन्न आर्गन हैं, और विभिन्न आर्गन के बीच में, विभिन्न आर्गन्स के बीच में जो भी स्पेस होता है, उस स्पेस के बीच में ये एरियोलर टिश्यू पाए जाते हैं। एंड दे आर द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द रेड ब्लड सेल्स, RBC, WBC, platelets, and lymphocytes, as well as the protein, carbohydrate, etc., get deposited in the space wherever the space is available in between the tissue and in between the cells. So these are the areolar tissue. This is also called the tissue fluid. So these are the fluid-like structures. They are having the different types of the cells in the areolar part. They are connective tissue because they runs throughout the body from one place to other place, get absorbed by the blood vessels and get discharged by the blood vessels whenever it is excessive in the amount in the blood vessels. So students, second is that is the adipose tissue. My dear student, this adipose tissue is nothing, it is a fat molecules. They are found in between the internal organs and below the skin के जस्ट नीचे, त्वचा के ठीक नीचे और दो आर्गन के बीच में जितनी जगह होती है, दैट स्पेस इज ऑक्युपाइड बाय द फैट मॉलिक्यूल विच आर कॉल्ड द एडिपोज टिश्यू। ये हो गया एडिपोज टिश्यू के बारे में। अब आप देखते हैं कि तीसरा क्या है। तीसरा है डेंस रेगुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, द मेन कंपोनेंट्स आर tendons and ligaments. Tendons connect the muscle to bones and while ligaments connect to bone together. तो इसमें क्या है कि देखो टेंडेंस भी होती है, क्योंकि शरीर में जितनी हड्डियां हैं उनको मसल से जोड़ने का काम करती है, जबकि लिगामेंट जो है वो जितनी भी हड्डियां हैं उनको जोड़ने का काम करती है। दो बोन को जोड़ने का काम लिगामेंट करता है, जबकि टेंडन जो है वो बोन को मसल से जोड़ने का काम करता है। दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू। एंड कम टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द skeletal tissue. So dear students, the skeletal tissue can be defined as the skeletal system of the human body, and this skeletal system is make the frame of the body. It make the frame of the body because the body is structured on this frame, and that frame is called skeletal tissue. That is the bones. These are the cartilage and bones are the skeletal tissue. Cartilage and bones. So cartilage is the semi bone, while bone is the bone. That is the hard material. And cartilage and bones form the different structures. Cartilage form the nose, external pinna, that is the ear, etc. That is made up of cartilage. And cartilage also play important role in that is the supporting material to the bone. And as you know, the bones are called the osteocytes and osteoblasts. Cartilage are the cells of the cartilage are called the cells of the cartilage. These are called the chondrocytes. So chondrocytes and osteocytes are the cells of the cartilage and bones respectively. Dear student, come to next, that is the fluid tissue. So dear student, the fluid tissue is the tissue that is found in the blood vessels as the and the lymphatic cells. So these fluid tissue are called as the connective tissue because they run throughout the body, and in these two fluids are there. These are the blood and lymph. So fluid tissue, this fluid tissue, that you can understand that the blood and lymph. So blood and lymph are the fluid tissue. These are two. Dear student, come to this blood, the component of the bloods, and blood is having the RBC, WBC, and platelets. These are the three components of the blood, which platelets. These are three components of the blood which are called as the fluid connective tissue. And these components RBC are called the erythrocyte, WBC are called leukocyte, and platelets are called thrombocytes. Dear students, this RBC perform the function of the carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide because of the presence of hemoglobin, and WBC it produce the different types of the warrior cells, defense cells, to protect the body from the pathogens, and they engulf the different pathogens. So that is why they are the protective cells. Platelets are the cells which produce produce plastothermin thromboplastin, that is a protein which help in the coagulation of the blood, in the clotting of the blood. So dear students, these are the three cells which are called as the fluid connective tissue that consists blood. Blood is formed of these three cells. And now come to the lymph. Dear student, lymphs are, if you consider this thing, the lymphs are another type of the fluid connective tissue, and these lymphs are having the B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte. Dear student, these lymphocytes are responsible for making the lymphocytes are responsible for making the acquired immune system of the human body, because they register the memory of a particular pathogen, and they produce antibody according to that pathogen's memory. That is why they come under the acquired immune system. Side by side, this lymph carry the fat, lymph transport the fat, and these lymphocytes associately work with the WBC, as WBC also produce the antibody. So these are the lymph, which are the tissue connective, fluid connective tissue. So my dear students, these are the different connective tissues which you have seen over here, and as far as the diagram is concerned, that will be explained in the next video diagrammatically. So you have to have the patience for the diagrammatic representation, that will be there in the next video. So dear students, I hope that you all learn these things, and let us have a revision, quick revision, that animal tissue are classified into four types based on the functions and they perform, that are the epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous. So epithelial tissue are the mainly, these are the covering of the external surfaces of different organs and of the animal body. These are of several types, like squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, ciliated columnar epithelial tissue, stratified columnar and non-stratified columnar. So these are the specific cells, group of the cells. They perform the function of the protection of the body, as well as they perform the function of secretion. They perform the function of different types of other works that they have been allocated. So students, in this digital video, I taken these two types of the tissues, that epithelial and connective, and this video will continue along with your class book, that will be the best explanatory method. So for today, this video, I am ending this video with the notes that this will be covered with the class book. So